Hello all, I am Mrs. Kumbhar VV from Sangli High School, Sangli. Standard 10th, subject Science and Technology Part 1st. From that, the chapter is lenses. We are all using lenses in our day to day life. Here are some examples which show the different uses of lenses. Old persons use lenses for reading. Lens embedded in the front door of the house. The lens which the watchmaker attaches to his eyes to repair these watches. Lenses are also used in spectacles and in telescope. A lens is a transparent medium bound by two surfaces. There are many types of lenses which are used. This picture shows different types of lens. First one is the biconvex lens, second is the plano-convex, third one is the positive meniscus lens, fourth one is the biconcave lens, then plano-concave lens, and last negative meniscus. The lens which has two spherical surfaces which are puffed up outwards is called a convex or double convex lens. In this picture, the cross section of convex lens is shown. In this picture, cross section of convex lens and the surfaces marked as 1 is part of sphere S1 while surface 2 is part of sphere S2. This is the cross section of concave lens. The lens, when we study, we have to use many concepts and we have to then move to the next point that is the concepts used in lens. First one is the center of curvature, C. The center of spheres whose parts from surfaces of the lenses are called centers of curvatures of the lens. Thus, any convex lens, it is having two centers of curvature C1 and C2. The next concept is radius of curvature R. The radii R1 and R2 of the spheres whose parts from surfaces of the lenses are called the radii of curvature of the lens. Then the next concept is principal axis. The imaginary line passing through both centers of the curvature is called the principal axis of the lens. Then the fourth concept is optical center O, the point inside a lens on the principal axis through which the light rays pass without changing their path is called the optical center of a lens and it is denoted by O. Then the most important concept, that is principal focus F. When light rays parallel to the principal axis are incident on a convex lens, they converge on a point on the principal axis. This point is called the principal focus of the lens. And every lens, it is having two principal foci, and that are called as the f1 and f2. Also, the concave lens, it is also having two principal foci f1 and f2, but in the case of concave lens, a ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it diverges from the lens, and the ray, when it is extended behind, these rays are appear to converge at a imaginary point, and that point is called as the principal focus of the concave lens. And the last concept is principal focus. It is denoted by small f, and it is the distance between optical center and principal focus. It is the principal, it is the focal length, and it is denoted by small f.